Hi traders. So in today's video I will talk about a really important topic, and it is what is the minimum amount that you can trade with when you start to trade with EA's Forex robots. So this video will be just a really serious one, and I just have to tell you that you are lucky that I haven't gone insane yet, because I'm in my cave for just many days now. I can't even count them, and I think I do it really well, and I haven't gone crazy at all, which is really very great, because I can make sweet YouTube videos for you guys. And also I want to announce that I think that olive oil is the best for your skin. So just take a little, and it is really good to moisturize your skin, and your skin will be just shiny and very good for any kind of adventures, and to live in a cave and don't go outside because you are in quarantine. So it's really good. Just don't go insane. Okay, so the video will be about the minimum amount that you can trade with a Forex robot, and it's really a serious video, because I know that many of you can't imagine that you can't trade with a $10 account and make $1 million. But I have to tell you that that is just bullshit. That is not the truth. You can't do it. And I see so many traders ask this question, and what I see that they don't really ask the question if they can trade with like $100, but they ask the following question in mind: can I make $100,000 from $100? So they don't want to just learn how to trade and just know the markets and practice and just save money while they learn about the markets and be a real professional trader, but they want to turn $100 to $1 million. And this is the reason actually why it is so easy, and it is a sad thing, it is so easy to just influence these beginner traders, and it's so easy to sell them the dream that they will turn $100 to $1 million. But that never happens. The scammers will tell you that they are just want your money, because Forex trading and trading in general is not about turning a small amount to a really huge amount in 1 month. It is about it is a real job. It is it takes real analysis and real learning and real knowledge. So it's a bullshit that you can just turn that small amount to a bigger, to a bigger. That is a real thing, but to a huge amount, to 1 million. So the thing is the following: don't believe in any fucking scammer and who calls themselves traders, who tell you that you can make $1 million with this course if you buy it first. That is not the truth. You can make a few percent per month, and that is really good, because actually Warren Buffett, the biggest trader of all, makes like 25% a year, and if you want to be better than Warren Buffett, you have to, maybe you can, but you have to learn you have to learn insane amounts. And if you don't take the time to actually know price action, the technical indicators, the sentiment indicators, the fundamental analysis, you won't be a professional, a profitable trader. And sure, at the beginning, and I remember because I did this too, you can make, you know, a 100, 200, 300, 1000% in 2 days. Because but that is just gambling. That is the sad part, that yes, you can turn $100 to, you know, this and that in 1 minute with a really high leverage. But the sad part is that you will lose it all, because it is gambling, and it is just like gambling. When you go to a casino and you are lucky, you know, and you make money, and you just, you know, won a really good amount, really big amount, but the bank will ask for its money back, and the casino will ask for its money back, and they won't let you go until you lose all your money. And it is just like forex trading with a really high leverage. Because if you use a really high leverage that is like bigger than 1 to a 50, you are, my friend, it is a really high chance that you will lose all your deposits. And it just, so many traders ask me this question, and I just have to answer, you know, honestly, because if you know, there aren't many honest YouTube traders and forex trading influencers on the market, and all of them say that you can make a huge amount from a very little amount. This is crazy. But the good part is that yes, you can start to trade with $100 with a forex robot, and it is absolutely possible, because if you have the right expectations, actually you can do it, and you can learn with it. So actually you can start to trade with $100, and you can start to learn. You can gather the knowledge, and you can make small amounts, like a few percent, per month or per day. But don't imagine that you will have that Lamborghini that you want in a month, because it is not the truth. And I know why you think that, because I remember when I started trading with robots many years ago. I had that in mind, and that was crazy, because at the beginning, you know, I made like in 2 minutes I made like 500% return. And man, I just immediately I started to calculate how much I will make in a month, and I realized that okay, I will be a millionaire at the end of this month. And after that, the journey, you know, just began, because the reality just came for me, and I started to learn. I started to learn coding, forex robots, and after many years, I learned so much about the markets that I become profitable, and it is a really great thing. But you have to learn so much before you can be profitable, because there are so much false information out there. And in this video, I just want to tell you that if you make like a few percent per day or per month or per year, you are a profitable trader, and don't be ashamed of that. And because I see so many traders believe in those lies that these scammers tell them, and because of those lies they are ashamed of the few percent profits. But don't, the few percent profits are world class, and actually if you are profitable, you are better than, I have to tell you, 99+% of the traders who are out there, because more than 99% of the traders lose all their money in trading, and that is a lie that only, like 70 or 90% of the traders are losers. That is a lie, because companies and forex brokers measure it in just a certain period, but at the end of the day, after a year or two, 99+% of traders lose their money. And so the truth is far from the 90 and the 70% traders are losers bullshit. So only a few traders in a million are profitable, which is you can calculate it in your head, I guess, because you're a forex trader, and I don't have to tell you all the math. So, but you see that actually much more traders are losers than 99%. And when I hear people talk about that. And it is another topic, but I have to tell you this because it is so crazy that like 95% of traders are losers, and they think that is a big number. I think to myself, okay, what does it mean? It means that out of 100 traders, 5 traders are winners, and I think that is just not the truth, because I think it is more like, out of a million traders, 5 are profitable in the long term. So that is just another false, that is just another misconception, that to make traders think that it is an easy job, that it is it is just so easy that they can learn it in 2 days, and just pay for that course that I want to say. That is the narrative of the scammers. So this was the video about how you can trade with a really small amount and what you can expect. And so please don't expect to make big money, but the good news is that you can use $100 to actually start with trading with robots. And actually, as a forex robot, developer and programmer, I recommend to you, even if you have a much bigger amount, to start with like $100, $200 or $300 with forex robots, because then you can learn first how to use the robots and what is the best for you, which pairs are the best for you and which time frames, and only after that put the bigger amount in the robots after you learned how to use them. So this was today's video. I hope it was just useful and stuff for you, and also use olive oil for your skin. Ciao.